Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you iPhone stuck in Apple logo, iPhone won't turn on, iPhone stuck in recovery mode, and iPhone keeps restarting. So guys, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix. Simply, if you are facing these issue, Mac or Window, and go to the any browser and search Mobitrix. Mobitrix is largest software company in this world. You can see appears on screen. Say goodbye to phone headache with Mobitrix. Take control of your iPhone experience. The only tool you need for backups, transfer, repairs, and unlocking. Simply go to the product, WhatsApp transfer, Mobitrix, log anyway, Mobitrix prefix. Open it. You can see appears on screen. Prefix fix all iOS system issues, easy use and without data loss, no iTunes need, one click to enter exit recovery mode for free. Support all iOS system versions including the latest iOS 17 and iPhone 15 series. Repair at home, repair 160 plus iOS, iPad OS, TV OS system problems. Avoid those expensive labor repair fees on local stores. Simply download your Mobitrix prefix tool and install. I am already installed on my system. Simply open it. You can see appears on screen start repair, fix now, standard repair. Select your device, DFU mode. Tap on start. Press the volume up button, power button and home button. If you are using iPhone 8 or earlier model, press the volume up button and power button. You can see appears on screen. Import the firmware and next. It will take some seconds to wait. You can see appears on screen extracting fixed file. You can see appears on screen repair is in progress. You can see appears on screen repair is completed. Your phone will reboot soon. Please be prepared. Tap on done and you can see appears on screen iPhone is restart. Wait 5 to 10 seconds and set up your iPhone. You can see appears on screen fix iPhone. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix iPhone keeps restarting, iPhone stuck in Apple logo, iPhone won't turn on, and iPhone in recovery mode. So guys, fix with Mobitrix prefix software without losing any data. That's it. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.